Hello, little friends. Welcome to English Bath Kids. Today, let's play a guessing game. Are you ready? Let's go. What is this? Can you guess? Duck. It's a duck. Great job. What is this? Look closely. Frog. It's a frog. What is this? It looks like a star. Starfish. It's a starfish. Beautiful. What is this? It has a curly tail. Seahorse. It's a seahorse. Wow! What is this? It has a hard shell. Turtle. It's a turtle. Awesome! What is this? It has so many arms. Octopus. It's an octopus. High five. What is this? It's so big. Whale. It's a whale. What is this? It floats on the water. Ship. It's a ship. What is this? Watch out for the claws. Crab. It's a crab. Snip, snap. And the last one? What is this? Fish. It's a fish. Swim, swim, swim. You did a wonderful job today. Thank you for playing with us. See you next time. Bye-bye.